am Cheryl J. Williams, founder, creator, and workshop facilitator for The Wizard in Me. The Wizard in Me is actually based off the children's movie, The Wizard of Oz. Dorothy knew that there was a greatness in her other than the mundane, everyday life on that farm. And she set out to find what that was. Is there something in you that's calling forth your greatness today? So be like Dorothy. Step out. She had no idea where she was going, but she at least made a move. Answer your call to what is your highest self today. Step out there. Make the journey. Start discovering your inner greatness. Visit our website at www.wizardinme.com to find out how you can begin your journey today.